What is up, guys? We're back here with yet another video today, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make eggs. So with this, I cracked 9 eggs, put them in here, and then what I did is added two tablespoons of water, and then I just stirred them up with the whisk. Yeah, that's how you start it. Then what you want to do is pour them. I have them on about medium. Oh, I didn't. Okay. I've got to smash up that egg, but that's fine. Then what you want to do, just make sure you get the bottom of the pan. Don't let anything stick, otherwise it will burn and they won't taste good. And like I said, this is 9 eggs. So remember, just get the bottom. And I'm making scrambled eggs.
One eternity later.
If you can add really anything you want to these. Peppers, olives, but I'm just adding cheese and onions. They smell really good. You guys probably can't smell them, but they do smell good. They're doing good so far. And you never just want to let them sit, otherwise they'll burn. I got this video idea from Hanish. If you want to subscribe to him, go down to the comments right now and do that. I'll put the link in a comment down below to subscribe to him. He has 39, I think. Let's get him to 50 at least. 50 subscribers. Okay, so I think it's time to add the cheese. I'd say about 1/4 of a cup. Just kind of mix it around. If you need to, turn it down a little bit. I think they're almost done here. Okay, now it's time to add the onions. Just a pinch or two of onions. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Oh, boy, that's not good. That would be the ending of today's video. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any more video ideas. See ya.